is the Xiaomi Home appliances. Floor cleaner, washing machine, all Xiaomi's. Air fryer, dog feeder, what's that, cleaner, trash can, toaster, this one, kettle, thermos, multifunctional rice cooker, Xiaomi smart air fryer, Xiaomi dual zone air fryer, trash can. I don't want to mention it anymore. All appliances Xiaomi. Ref Xiaomi, maybe. Yes, Xiaomi logo. Cabinet type, double doors. And here, maleta, all Xiaomi. Speaker, monitor, speaker, water bottle, Wi-Fi, I don't know the name. Portable photo printer. They have also lamp. All Xiaomi's. And here, electric fans, air conditioner, TV. I don't know how many inches. Here, para chicas, hair clippers, comb, toothbrush, Xiaomi kilo, pakiluhan, weighing scale, massager, massage gun. Yeah. Casa limpia, CCTVs, TVs, tablets with keyboard, smartwatch, AirPods, headsets, buds. Stereo po. Smartphones. Speakers. And here, Xiaomi 12 Brim, the most biggest Xiaomi scooter. 12 Brim, 10 inches is the biggest before, and this is 12 Brim, size 12. Okay, yes ta.